What's up, guys? Eddie from Harlembling, and today we're going to talk about a brand new chain that we just launched on the website a few weeks ago, and it's already a huge hit. A lot of you guys have been asking me to review it. But first, all of you, like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, give us a little shout out, put a fire emoji down in the comments. You know I appreciate that. So guys, one of our most popular chains that we sell is the ball moon chain, diamond cut. We have them from 2 to 5 millimeters. Honestly, I'm not even going to advertise this chain because these chains are extremely hard to make, and the price that we're selling them, I haven't done the accounting, but we're probably selling them at a loss. Now we're bringing you the 8 millimeter version. 8 millimeter, we have them from 18 to 30 inches. These are really thick chains, ball moon chains. We have them in natural silver. We also have them in 14 karat gold vermeil. Comment below if this is a chain for you. I personally like this with a nice dog tag pendant. This is a 28 inch, up here is a 22 inch. The reason I love this chain is that if you're active, it's a perfect link. A lot of chains will twist. A lot of chains, if you're playing ball, or if you're working with your hands all day, this is one of the most comfortable chains. Listen, it might not be for everybody. Some of you guys might think it looks like, I don't know, anal beads. But I think it's a very nice masculine chain. I don't think it looks like anal beads. Comments below what you think. Very nice link for everyday wear. Links are down in the description below. Get yourself one. So these are hollow, meaning that these balls are empty inside. Inside of these links is air. That does not mean this is not real silver. It just means that they're more lightweight. That's why they're very affordable chains. So they go from 150 bucks up to 200 and some change for the 8 millimeter. If they were completely solid and heavy, they wouldn't be as comfortable to wear. If any of you guys have a dog tag or even a nice Jesus piece, definitely a nice chain to have. Comment below, shop Harlembling. Until next time, Eddie.